Once again, how beautiful technical analysis can be. See, 1960 to 65, we had discussed in the morning update with the Asia session, gold is going to get the maximum resistance at the same zone, at the same time the support at 1950. Precisely, it went till 1955 and bounced back. Likewise, silver 2310, 2320 zone, and precisely it reversed from the same levels and failed to break below 2290. That is also important. What to expect today? With the US session, we will see with the help of charts and indicators. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Do not forget to press the bell icon which keeps you updated with the live analysis. Also, you can join our free Telegram channel where you get the live updates. Link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver to watch till the end. In the morning update, we saw why these levels are important. See, it is trading in this box 1954 to 1985 levels. We have seen it trading sideways in this, but it is getting, most importantly, it is getting maximum support at these levels and it is trying to reverse every time it try to achieve those levels. Hence, only sell entry below 1954. Yes, you can sell and expect the 1954 and then 1947.50. If this is broken, then gold is bound to a very good fall, which might in fact take it till towards 1935, 1915 levels. Else a possible recovery cannot be denied. Now, second point, you can see for the day on the hourly charts, 1955, 54 levels, again giving it a very good resistance. 65 levels, very good resistance here on the upside, and 55 as a support on the upside. Yes, if it stays above 1965, now if you look at our early charts, you'll find lower highs are seen almost and flat bottom is seen here. Support is seen as 1960 also. Hence, above 65 you can buy. However, remember this fact. 1970, very strong resistance exists there. 1970, 75, 80, 85. Till 85, it has got a resistance at every $5. Just put a $5 trailing stop loss and keep trading if you are taking a buy entry at 1965. Remember, it can reverse any point of time. Those who want to trade safe, first thing is to keep or put the stop loss at your cost price such that in case of a reversal, your trade closes in profit. Second is to put a trailing stop loss. Any point of time, it goes above 1985 or it drops below 1954, you are going to see a massive move. Stochastic at top, MACD crossing over at bottom, trading with divergence on the hourly charts, looking upwards, indicating bullishness. RSI flat and not indicative of anything. Same observation on the 2-hour charts. On the 2-hour charts also, you will find the similar observation and hence it needs to break out either which ways. I am not going to repeat it. Stochastic has recovered. MACD here trying to cross over. It has not yet crossed over. It is on the verge of a crossover. RSI flat. And if you look at the 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, now see beautifully you will find after this drop it is again consolidating and hence any breakout above and below certainly is going to be big enough. Now when I say till 1970 the next stronger resistance, you have to be extremely cautious as it can reverse from 68, 67 or 70 levels also. Very good resistance there. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD trying to converge crossover, RSI flat. And on the 4-hour charts also similar is the observation. It needs to give a strong breakout. But look at 3-hour chart. This time it is signaling a reversal with the bottom here. This is probably a reversal sign and hence I will be expecting a little rise, but these are market. Anything is possible. It can give one red candle and break all the support here on the downside and hence we have to be watchful. Stochastic was oversold, trying to recover here. The MACD is, you can see this is trading bearish, willing to cross over. It is not yet crossed over. RSI flat. And on the daily charts, now look at daily charts. See, this zone has become a support levels for gold. It has not tried to breach this. At the same time, 85 is still trading in the box. If it leaves below the zone, this is going to be bigger. Stochastic looking down here. The MACD is still bearish here, but it has seen a good enough long rally and the RSI at bottom. Considering this, sell at 54 and buy at 65 now. In between these $11, do not take any trade. And rather, I say 66, keep $1 above the resistance zone so that in case of a reversal, you should be watchful because it can achieve 65, 65.5. Till 70, very good resistance exists and more bullishness will be seen only if you see gold trading above 70. Take your trades accordingly. Now let's have a look at silver. And yes, if you want to learn this art of trading profitably, you should join my mentorship batch. 22nd batch starts on 5th of June. Register yourself now itself. Also, you can be part of my signals group, trading as per the signals. You can definitely benefit. Reach out to me for more details. Now look at the hourly charts for silver. And yes, you can reach out via Telegram or email ID mentioned in the channel and video description. Now look at the hourly charts. Again, silver is getting support here. It is not willing to break below 2290. If it does, certainly we can see that it is a bearish move and it is going to head lower. First support at 2280 and it will directly land to 2250 levels. Stock and see the resistance there on the upside 2310, 2320 level. Only about 2320 I will recommend you to buy. Stochastic looking down, the MACD has crossed over, trading with little divergence, trying to trade bullish. RSI looking upwards, trying to signal a little rise. Now look at the 2-hour chart. See on the 2-hour charts, divergence from 20 period, convergence to 20 period, divergence from 20 period, convergence to 20 period. Means 2320 levels are still going to be a good resistance. If it stays above 2320, we can say till 2360 you have to put a 10 cents trailing stop loss, nothing beyond, nothing more, nothing less. Yes, 2340 first resistance, 2350-60 zone, the next resistance zone. Only and only if it trades about 2360 you can see a very good rise. Stochastic at high, looking downwards, MACD trying to converge, crossover for a buy entry. It is still on sell. RSI at bottom, and on the 3-hour charts the story is more or less same. Convergence till 2340 levels cannot be denied. The stochastic rising here, the MACD is also trying to converge, crossover. RSI is also looking upwards. And if you look at the 4-hour charts, now on the 4-hour charts you can find out, see it has formed a good support here, it has found a good bottom here, and beyond 2320 certainly we may see it hitting 2340 levels or so. Stochastic is seen rising, MACD is bearish, trying to converge, RSI trading at bottom. And if you look at the daily charts, now see on the daily charts, after giving a series of 3 red candles, it is and lower highs, lower lows, which it has achieved, trying to recover a bit. How far it can recover? 2340, 2350 levels are going to be the next resistance. Only rise is seen if you see it trading about 2360. The stochastic at bottom here again, MACD is bearish, RSI at bottom here again. Hence buy at 2320 and sell at 2290. In between these 30 cents, we are not going to take any position. On the upside, 2340-50 zone first resistance. Rather 2340-60 zone is the maximum resistance where silver is going to get, and hence you have to be cautious of that. On the downside, below 2290 you can expect 2280, and below 2280 we may see a very good drop. Take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch and signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your trading or training queries. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.